Where's the caller?
Who's the party 2 leader? Invite me.
There, yeah.
Okay, fine. Dismount behind me. Okay, dismount behind me. Dismount behind me. Food check. Don't OC right now. Hold. Okay. Tell them R. Okay.
Be careful. Mega.
I told them. It's already out.
Okay. I don't see a caller. I don't see that caller. Okay, I'm gonna fake. Okay, keep walking up. Keep walking up. Just hold. So when we fake, right? I need you guys to inch up a little bit. Not enough for you to get caught in the engage. Yeah.
Just start recording, guys. Start recording for that.
Okay.
Madam must be careful there.
Okay, I'm gonna fake very soon. I'm faking. Fake. This is fake. Don't engage. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna look. Very soon I'm gonna look. Okay, I'm gonna do fast engage. I'm looking east. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top. East on top me. More damage. There's one demon, bro. Kill this. Then come back. Kill demon. Yo, watch out. There's a bomb. Yo, watch out. They have a bomb. Okay. Bomb can change position. OC right now. You tell me your cooldowns. Ready? Get ready. Looking east. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. So they have a guard rule. Come back. Reset. Keep spamming. Yeah, I need the help for the gate. Okay, I need the help for the gate. 40. Okay, we're gonna engage one more. Then we're gonna go. Okay, tell me your cooldown. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna engage. Big engage. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top me. On the gate. On the night armor. Okay, come back to the second gate. Come back northwest. Zone northwest. Bomb zone northwest. Come up. Venom died, bro. How did you die, bro? Come up. Did you go out?
नहीं दरवाजे पे
They engage.
इंगेज दरवाजे
Come back. Gear up and come again. Stay here. Come up, bro. I already gave you a call. One engage and we're gonna go back. Come up. Stay here. Just stay here. Yo, Ember, watch out.
Naresh ko party.
Just accept, bro. Right? You don't give these calls right now. Just write in guild chat. That's it. Yo, get ready. Shallow after the guard rune on top me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top me. Oh, yeah, good guard runes. Okay, come back. You watch out. Tell me your cooldowns. Cooldown. Don't fake right now. I'm gonna fake. Okay, I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Okay, get ready. Looking east. Big engage east. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. More damage. Kill this. Wipe this. More damage. Okay, come back. Some of you are super right now. Okay, watch out defense. Heal bank, Karen. Heal bank. Tell me your cooldowns. One more engage, then we go up. I need the health of the gate. How much on the gate?
4 seconds.
Yo, I need gate health.
53. Round ready.
Okay, fine. This is fake. Everybody inch up. Okay, use your shoes and inch up. We're gonna fake with shoes. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just fake. This is fake. Okay, this is fake. Now get ready. I'm gonna look south. On top of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Yeah, the guardians are too good. Come back. Gate health, please.
6%.
Okay, fine. Come back southwest. Use your shoes. Come back southwest. Come up the gate. Everybody come up the gate. They're gonna engage. Come up. Yeah, good job. Come up. Just come up. Yeah, he's DC. Okay, come up. Just stay up. Just stay up. It's fine. Bomb engage.
They are
You guys need to speak when you're engaging, bro. So I know when to push, when not to. You just spread away. Just stay away. Okay, I'm gonna fake. This is fake. This is just fake. You get ready. You're gonna look east. Wait, just hold. Let them inch up. Just let them inch up. Just stay away. It's all good. Just stay. Hold. Just hold. Look, they are playing smart, bro. They're not even touching the walls, right? This is how you know how they play. Defensive. Okay, good job, bro. Why are you extending over there, man? Why? You guys have to stay back, bro. Don't cross the gate. Even D-tanks don't have to cross the gate. Mega, come back. Farisha, stay back, please. Just stay here. Get ready. Shallow east. Very soon. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. This one guy. Very good. It's fine. Come back. They're gonna engage on the gate. Watch out. Come back. Tell me your cooldowns first. Okay, ready? Get ready. Okay.
6 seconds,
fine.
6 seconds, bro.
Okay, get ready. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna get a big clump. Okay, get ready. I'm looking northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top. On top. On top. On top. Big clump. Big clump. Big clump, bro. More damage. What the hell? Okay, watch out. Defensive. Defensive. Heals. And defensive. Okay, good job. Good job. Nice. Just stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. Just hold. I'm gonna look northeast again. You guys are good? Get ready. On top of me. East. Yeah.
Ready.
Get ready, shallow east. You see two people east, right? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top me, just on top me. On two people. More damage, bro. At least kill one, bro. What the hell? Just spread away. Spread. And get help, please. Yo, come back up. Let them come up, okay? Gonna look big engage on the choke. Come back. Yo, guys, are you looking at the guard runes? Whoever is playing Bedrock and this Oathkeeper, right? Just look at the guard runes, how big of an impact it is. Sorry? Yo, get ready. I'm gonna fast engage southeast, okay? Fast engage southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me, on the wall. Just come back. Okay, man. That's just one guard rune. Stop. Just stay here. Tell me your cooldowns, bro. I need cooldowns fast. Okay, watch out. Defensive. Heal all might.
Wow.
Because they're gonna engage from there now.
Bro, cooldown ready?
Just stay here. Okay, fine. Just hold. I'll have to fake, man. I can't, bro.
You can do over the wall southeast.
No. See, they are not inching up. Bro. And if I do, they're gonna counter you.
There's a
Just
southeast
hold over.
healer.
Just hold over. Hold. They're waiting for you guys to engage and they're gonna walk up. Okay. Just hold over. Hold. Take your time. It's fine. Need one mistake from them and we're gonna catch them on the choke. Okay. Again, I'm gonna fake.
Wait for their engage and then bomb squad.
Yeah, I think gonna do that. Okay, if they engage, I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna get a big clump. Okay. Gonna look. Maybe they're gonna look on undercover. Yes. Your Qs and Ws on this battle mount if you can. Just Qs and Ws on the battle mount. Qs and Ws. Don't chase him. Don't chase him, bro. Come back. Don't chase him. Only while he's there. Don't give them an angle for engage. Okay, they're gonna look again. Okay, north. They're gonna look north. You get ready. Headbutt in 3, 2, 1 on top. Kill this one. Come back. Reset. Tell me your cooldowns, bro. Tell me your cooldowns.
1 second.
5, right? Okay, just hold. Again, same thing I'm gonna do, okay? Once they engage, I'm gonna headbutt, okay? Watch out, but don't inch up too close, okay? Don't give them an engage. Don't give an engage. You get ready, looking east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top. Come back. It's fine. Failing it. Come back. See, they are doing the same thing, bro. They're trying to counter. Just hold over here. Tell me your cooldowns. Heal cold. Cold, you have cleric count? No, right? Okay. If you don't have your Giga, don't go in. Okay? If you don't have your Giga, don't go in. So, listen, Cold, how we gonna do this is, right, I need you to go southeast and pull them northwest, okay? And I'm gonna engage. Okay? I'm gonna call for a 5, okay? You can stay south. You don't have to stay inside them always, okay? You can stay south. Just stay here. I'm gonna fake right now, okay? I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Just hold. This is fake. Yeah, get ready. Yo, get ready southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top. Big club. Kill this. Wipe this, bro. Wipe this. Come back. Right, come back. Go back up. Hold them on the choke. You guys, if you died, re-gear. Just hold over here. Bro, what is happening? Why didn't damage land over there? You guys got G8 or what?
No, G was Bedrock.
Bro, that was a huge clump, man. Seriously, that would have been a party right. Just hold. Defensive. Heals.
Wow, fuck.
Bro, defensives. Hello, we have 2 demons. Heals. I died through Giga, man.
They're coming in.
Yeah, just say GG, man. Say GG.
Tell
Say
GG,
GG,
call
go
it,
northeast
tell
and...
them call it.